Hello everyone. Today I will show you the new update in Gem Galaxies. There seems to be a new place here. Let's get started. Here is the patch notes for the update. Delta Warship, the new location. First, we will look at the Realgar in the expansion pack. The gem looks pretty. Now we will look at the other selections. Wow, this one looks nice. It's my favorite one. Next, we move on to the Thorium. They look pretty sassy. They scare me. This one reminds me of a character. I don't know who. The gem looks nice. The olivines were upgraded. They originally supposed to look like this. More fitting room for the Olivine. This one looks very funny. I think this one is my favorite. Who is this? Lol. Next are the defective Olivines. They look like very mad professors. This Olivine is my favorite. I think this one is overcooked. Next are the beautiful bronzes. Wow. The bronzes were an update of the past bronzes. I really prefer the new bronzes. These were the past bronzes before this update. Which do you prefer? The old or new bronzes? Comment below. The gem looks like a coin. I will claim this one as my favorite. Next and almost last is the special gem pack. This is the new Holo Pearl. They look very beautiful. I'm glad to see a new Holo Pearl since they always look so nice. Next, my favorite pearl. Paragon pearl. Also, the creator and devs mention that there is no Paragon diamond. This Paragon pearl is the pearl of the 3 diamonds Alpha, Omega, and Delta. She serves all 3 of the diamonds and there is no 4th diamond. Her style is so pretty. I really love this pearl. This might shock you. Wait for it. Tada! It's a color-changing holopad of the 3 diamonds colors, Omega, Delta, Alpha. It also changes to white to represent Paragon. The color change is based off where they sit in the ballroom to left to right. If that doesn't seem surprising enough, there is also a color-changing ribbon wand also. That is also based of the colors, Omega, Delta, Alpha, Paragon. Also new to the update is the player count on each area of the map. This is how the gem looks poof. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me a like and a comment. If you wish to see more new updates on Steven Universe games, please subscribe to see more of my content. Bye.